Do you want to go outside, little doggy? Here's my new quail. They're just in this hutch till I build a bigger outdoor one for them. Everything's pretty grey and dry here because we're in the middle of winter, but it's rather a nice warm sunny day today. And there's nothing much left in our garden, just a bunch of onions and leeks. We've used up everything else, but we'll be planting some new veggies in a week's time for spring. Let's head down to the dam to have a look. Some of the ducks are down here. Dam was full earlier this year. Gone down a bit since then we had rain. One of our favourite things to do in the afternoon is to walk around the dam and enjoy the peace and quiet of nature. God has given us such a lovely, beautiful place to live. This property we're on is in the middle of a giant clay pan, which is why there aren't many giant trees around here. But there's lots of lovely birds around here. We actually have some fish in here, which was quite a surprise to us. We've seen some great egrets picking up some fish and eating them. And we also have rather large yams in the dam too. We tried to build a trap for them, but it didn't work. When the dam at its fullest, it fills in even this area. Well, beginning to grow weeds here, which is paper daisies. Here's some more, although they're nearing the end of their life. No, you can't have that burn. The horses walk along this path, so it's well trodden. We love looking down at the dam from this angle. Oh, yeah, there's a salt bush. The pale-headed rosellas love these bushes. Here's some more paper daisies, but they've died now. Kangaroo footprints. Along here. One of our horses enjoys rubbing himself against this tree here. You can see it's all smooth from him scratching himself on it. Here comes our horse Blush to have a chat with us. Thanks for joining me on my walk today. It's great to get out in the fresh air and enjoy God's creation. Why don't you take a walk and enjoy your area of where you live in the world? That's all we have time for today. God be with you and goodbye.